What's up guys, Tommy here. Today I'm going to teach you the MJ triangle glide. It's a really cool male stripper body movement, obviously created by MJ himself. So I'm going to try and do it for you as best as I can. Be easy on me. Alright, so what you want to do with this move is it's easier to train this movement when you actually physically place 3 markers on the ground, okay? So 3 points you can actually move around to. So at the first marker, pick any marker. The first part of the movement is we want to get onto our toe, all right? So with our right leg, we're going to get right onto our toe. Now as we move to the next marker, we are going to slide out with the other leg, the leg that's flat on the ground. As we slide out, we want to point to that area, that marker, with our toe, okay? So that's really important. The direction your toes are pointing will really determine how smooth the move is going to look. Our left foot is going to slide out and point, okay? So we're not going to just slide it out like that. As we slide it out, we're going to point at the same time. Now it's easier to slide and do this movement when you keep your body weight over this right leg here. If you keep your body weight over that right leg, you'll find it really easy to just slide this foot effortlessly. If you don't keep your body weight on that leg, it's going to be really grippy. So, onto the toes, slide out and point, okay? Step 3, shift the body weight and move onto your toe and then flatten that foot. Step 4, bring it back in, body weight over this leg and slide. Okay? I'm going to keep moving around now. Swap over, toe and then flat on the ground with the other leg. Body weight over this leg, slide. Swap over, up, swap. Slide and point. Swap, up. Let's do it a little bit faster now, one more time. Toe, slide, swap, in, swap over, slide, swap over, in, swap over, slide, swap over, in. One more time, a little bit faster. So that's the basic MJ triangle glide. Now when you're doing this glide, you can do it with your arms down here. You can lock it just to the side and you can just do a simple glide with your arms locked, or as you do the movement you can add in some arm movement like this, some maybe pushing movement, or even some just fluidness with your arms, some body waves, some arm rolls. So it's really up to you how you want to add your own style to it, but there's really no right or wrong. You can add your own element to it. You can maybe give it a little push out. There's just some different things you can do, okay? I'm going to show you right now something different that you can apply this technique to. So, one of the common problems I get that guys tell me all the time is they don't know how to effectively transition in a really seamless and awesome way when they're working their way around the room from one girl to another, to another, to another. They don't just want to just lap dance, step off, lap dance, step off, lap dance. Can look a little bit weird, so what I recommend you do is you actually lap dance a girl, and instead of just stepping off and walking to her, you can just apply a simple just one movement glide, a swap, and then you're there. Then you can lap dance again. You can step off and you can glide. Lap dance, glide, lap dance, glide, lap dance, glide, 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 lap dance. The glide is just a useful way to move around the room. So there you have it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for any videos. I'll see you next time.